Hi Year 1! So I'm going to give you your numeracy video for this week, and I just want to start by saying a big well done to everybody who has submitted some work onto Purple Mash so far. Now, we've really enjoyed having a look over what you've been up to, and you've all tried really hard. I know some of those questions have been quite tricky, and you've done a really good job, so well done. So I'm just going to read over what your numeracy work is for this week. Now, you've got 4 lessons on White Rose Maths to complete, as you have done each week. And lesson 1, you are going to be adding using tens frames to help. Now, in case you have forgotten what tens frames are, they look like this. So they are grids with 10 boxes in, 5 on each row, and you can use 2 different colour counters to help you count. Now, I know in school we've probably done a lot of adding up to 10 using tens frames, but not so much past 10. So just a reminder, if you want to add more than 10, you can use 2 tens frames, but they will be already on the sheet for you. Just remember, if you're using tens frames, you might want to use 2 different colours, or if you don't have 2 different colours, you could use 2 different shapes. So you could add circles and triangles. So for this example, I have 4 circles and I've added 5 triangles on to show 4 plus 5. So that's lesson 1. For lesson 2 and 3, you're going to be doing some subtracting using a number line to help. So we know when we are subtracting, we are going backwards on our number line. So we are going to start at a higher number and we're going to count backwards. But you can use objects as well if this is a little bit too difficult, because we know in school we would usually have the multi-link cubes or some counters. So if you feel like you might just want something to hold or like some groups to take away from, then that's fine. You could maybe use some toy cars or whatever you have at home. And then lesson 4 is where it may get slightly trickier. So for lesson 4, you are asked to compare number sentences. So that means you will be given 2. So let's just say some nice easy ones while I explain. We've got 2 plus 1 and 3 plus 3. So we know that 2 plus 1 equals 3. And 3 plus 3 equals 6. I've wrote the totals down underneath, and now I'm going to have a look at my 2 totals and compare them. Now, I know that 6 is a greater number than 3, so that means 3 is less than 6. Put this in a little box underneath. So 3 is less than 6. And that's how we are going to compare the 2 number sentences. Now, have a go by yourself if you can, but if you feel a little bit stuck, then definitely ask for some help from someone at home, because this week is quite challenging, so just try your best. So just a reminder, on Friday there is an activity on Purple Mash for you to do. So it's not one of the White Rose sheets, it's the sheet that we've uploaded for you. And that's the one that we would like you to submit at the end of the week when you have finished it. So good luck. I hope you enjoy them. Bye.